Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can display options for hidden notifications. You can disable only sound notification, you can disable sound and visual notifications, and you can have custom restrictions. You can add exceptions for this mode. It could be messages, it could be calls, it could be repeat callers, which means if the same person calls the second time, this call will be added to exceptions too. It could be apps, it could be alarms and other interrupters like media sounds and touch sounds. You can set up a default duration of this Do Not Disturb mode here, and you can set up a schedule for it. You can select start time, end time, days on which the schedule will repeat, change its name, and also you can, and that's it. And you only have schedule. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.